alive. Even if he not blood clot, dead or if he not alive. Then gal when know me. Whenever see me and him play match yet.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, you don't know, say recently, that girl, Nisha, from the TikTok, you know what I mean? Owe and Nisha Owe. You don't know, so she passed away, my people. You see me? So you don't know, say a lot of mourning are going over there on TikTok. Lot of TikTokers, Jamaican TikTokers, lot of people, fans, everybody, them a cry out, them a mourn out the people. You know what I mean? Because they love this girl. But you know what I say? For some TikTokers, my people, them pray the thing different. Like, them look upon the thing in a different way. Them not care. So you have this youth now, Zozo. You must know Zozo. Him a deal with Britain now. We call himself prudent. You know what I mean? And Zozo I pray this thing different, my people. And when me hear this youth attack, me have to really look and say, yo, brother, them need to put him a Jamal or something, you know. Because him can't be right in my mind, my people. So, I want to share this video with someone screen record off I'm live. And basically, people were there commenting while he was on live and saying, you know, hear that Nisha passed away and something. And for him reaction, my people, I want to hear his reaction.
Nobody me not care about. Nobody me not care about. Oh, fuck do no. Then gal when know me when they alive. Even if he not blood clot, dead or if he not alive. Then gal when know me. Whenever see me and him play match yet. How do no man? Cancel no mama big pussy man. No tap comment cancel. On the think you can cancel me. So cause no mama big pussy, I go do more things for no hate me. And more I go do for no hate me. I go do more for no hate me. What? I can't tell me about blood clot people who I don't know. Response about nobody prudent. Care about nobody. Boy and girl go suck out their mama. Care about boy and girl. Don't give a fuck about nobody, man. I wanna feel like say. I'm not sorry for the boy. I'm not sorry for no boy and no girl. That me I make no know, so I try to know who me be friend today there. Cancel no man. I don't even know listen. No boy and no girl, I'm not sorry for. No boy and no girl. Wanna hear that? No boy and no girl, I'm not sorry for. Bumbo hole, you know. Now I can't tell me about blood clot girl dead. Now I can't tell me about this. Now I can't tell me about that. Don't tell me about nothing, man. Don't tell me about bumbo clot nothing, man. I'm gonna suck out in the mama. Yeah, man. I'm in next. God forbid with you or just say that. God go with you. Because when I did that same thing, me I got to talk say.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, that is Zozo, as I can see. And I hear the words them all time mouth, my people. Someone passed away, you know. Even though they weren't friends on TikTok, maybe they never got live together or whatever, they never played a match, nothing together. But she was a fellow TikToker, way bigger than him, my people, because they have over 300,000 followers. Him they are 88,000. You understand? We shouldn't bad mind him. That's a great achievement, same way. But I'm saying, she was bigger than him on the platform. And if you know somebody, this is life you're talking about, you know, life. And this put fun and joke aside. This is not a joke thing. This is someone life you're talking about. If you don't rate the person or you don't like the person, you better just keep quiet, skip along and don't say nothing. But passing these remarks onto someone, may I tell you the truth, people, it pain my heart. This is definitely, yo, no, I cannot believe when this youth, honestly, me I watch this youth, my people, because me not follow him. But you know, so when I dip on TikTok, just a lot of videos recommend to you. And me see him try, if everybody who him say a step up, especially female, like them a do something and everybody are tuning to them. He like him get heated and bad mind against them. Me say Rosalie, you understand, and the look of you, the Akima do them look of thing. Me see him curse out Rosalie. Me say Annie man a do them, whatever them a do, him cuss them out. Him cuss out everybody. Who, because what? Him feel like the upper fame. And everybody fi tune into him and Brit. Zozo, let me tell you this. Remember, you know, bro, when Brit was going through her face and was in the hospital, whatever, not try help her. Remember, you know, you was asking for people to help, you know. You were asking for leniency, you know. Remember that, you know, bro. And now this is your reaction when another fellow TikToker last year baby mommy, and this is how you are gonna react, bro. On a real level, even if you don't have sense or you're sick in your head, but even if you're a mad person, would never think that pass is a remarks. So I think you pass sick in the head and madness and gone somewhere far. Eh? And you know one of the funniest thing is, I saw people, I'm not bad minded, but people still a give them. All of these remarks to show you how the world set up right now, my people. It is totally different now. Eh? It is different. People support evilous things. Look upon me. We're doing this, I mean, I have to say this all the time. We are doing the back to school treat, something great for the youth them. Not the first we are doing it. We are the donation by like over almost 2 months we are asked the donation towards the NEWLINK Back to School Treat Foundation. And only one female donate to my back to school treat so far. I mean, I have to big her up every time. Only one. Me go up on live, people, them see it there that never send a gift. Me gonna show you how people is, but I bet you, if me did forward on the live and I cuss up and I behave certain way and I do certain foolishness, you know what I mean? People that send money. But when I do something great, something good, they fail to support things like this. Me not bring nobody, me not bad mind, but I'm just saying people. These are the people who no support. These are the people who no bill. And there was a lot of people who say cancel him. But who no say the comments cancel and then 3 cheese on the back over there. You understand? Me not telling you if you cancel him. But me gonna say, yo, this brother been doing too much now. He's doing too much. This is past too much though. Eh? Imagine this girl just passed away. And you not have a heart. And then now you got to do new video and retrack where you say like you want to retrack it. Brother, you don't do it already, you know. You understand? Whatever you set already, you cannot rub out, brother. You don't do it already. It done out there already. You don't pass the remarks. You see me? You're a very heartless youth. You're heartless and you're tough and you're wicked youth. You understand? You're wicked. And the people them need for looking at themselves and have sense. Eh? How can you have a heart? Why? Like, me could never picture myself. Eh? This girl just passed away. You're deep on life, so the people must say to you, say, eh? You know, hear say Nisha drop out, but you don't want to hear nothing about that. Eh? These are your remarks. Remember, you know, the same prudent way got Brit. She was on top of her game before she even know you. And them time there, should have never did something like you. Me I tell her that. She'd have never looked upon you. Me say it already. She'd have never got close to you. Could never come close to Brit. You could never, with a greater face, they could never go close to Brit. You know what I mean? She would have never looked upon you them time there. But remember what happened to her. She was behaving similar to you. And she get her downfall on TikTok. She get her downfall. See? And since you and her start doing a thing now, a few more people start tuning back to her and going in the strength. But now, you bring down yourself, youth. You say bring them down, you know. That are your slogan, you know. But you bring down yourself. You see me? You bring down yourself because with this remarks where you pass about Nisha and Owie, me I go tell you this, a lot of people are going to look upon you different. Then that pre already, you know. A lot of people, you know what I mean? But me know say you still have some people who still support you. You see me? Me not bad mind a youth. But looking at yourself. You see where you are going with you, Zozo? You see where you are going with the bad mind and the dirty and the corruption heart where you have. You need to flush it out. Because you're bad mind, youth. Me I tell you the truth, you're bad mind. Bad mind is make you do everything what you do is bad mind. The talk them we make against Brit is bad mind. Not Brit. The talk we make against Nisha is bad mind. The talk against Annie is bad mind. The talk against Rosalie and so much other TikTokers is bad mind, bro. You need to make a change, make a difference in your life. That's all me have to say. Because bad mind, it not put you nowhere. Straight up, it not put you nowhere. My people, big up on yourself, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments. People, NEWLINK back to school treat September 2025, Jamaica. Support the movement, my people. Support it for your cause. You understand? Our blessings are flow, my people. These are real legit things that we've been doing. You understand? And 80% of the funding funded by me personally, my people, towards the back to school treat. But we just ask a local donation so we can expand the thing, give a little more to the youths them. Support the movement. They are Jamaica. You want support by the products like a pencil, some book, whatever you want to do. We have people can collect it down there. If you want to give financially, check below in the description for my contact and link with my people. But on a real level, yo, this youth is too much on the media. No joke about it. Remember to like the video, my people. Leave your comment in the section. Subscribe to the channel, NEWLINK Production. Follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, Snapchat. One attacking boss of people, NEWLINK Production. Peace out. Be good, be great, and be safe. And remember, God is the greatest. Blessings. Big up.